everyone, hope you're well. I am sitting very comfortably in my living room today to bring you guys this video, and as you can see by the title, it is a Topshop new in like trends video. I'm really excited because Topshop is one of my favorite brands. I've been loving them for years. I'm sure you guys can go back through my videos and see tons of Topshop hauls. So I just wanted to come on here today and say that this video is kindly sponsored by ShopTagger. I have worked with ShopTagger previously, I think on like 3 further videos, which just goes to show that I love them. And basically ShopTagger is a web app that enables you to get push notifications either on your phone or by email when an item that you like either comes back to stock or goes on sale. If you're like me and this Christmas period you could not deal with the sales, then you will love this. So anyone else out there, please comment down below and just say I'm sick of it too.
I cannot deal with the Zara sale anymore.
Like, it is literally, I went in there the other day and I was just like, get me out of here. It is just a mess. Anyone else agree? Like, I feel like they just put out stock from like 5 years ago on sale. Like anything that they've got in their like back cupboards, or not cupboards, but like in their storerooms, is literally just what they put out. So ShopTagger really does make things easy, because if there's an item that you specifically want to keep your eye on, it's not like you have to go on the site every single day. They will send you that notification. So definitely follow the link down below, guys, to download ShopTagger. All you have to do is follow the link and download the ShopTagger browser button. And when you find an item that you love, and I've got tons of items as always at the moment that I'm in love with, all you have to do is click the ShopTagger browser button. ShopTagger will save it for you, and then it will send you those push notifications when the item either goes back into stock or goes on sale. You can even tailor it to you further. So if there's a different size that you specifically want, so like for example, if it's a pair of shoes or the shoes come in a different color, you can tailor that to you. And you can also select whether an item just generally goes on sale or if it goes on sale by 25 or 50%, and it just has made my shopping so much easier. And I know that it has for a lot of you guys too, from watching my videos and other people's ShopTagger videos. So I'm so happy to get that feedback from you guys. And you can also create little wish lists. I've got like a Christmas one, I've got like an I must have one, and I'm just going to create another one. So you can just create different wish lists for things, and I think I might call mine 2019 this time. And yeah, it's just a really great web app. So definitely follow the link down below, guys. You won't regret it. And if you like shopping like me and you want to keep up to date with your items, then you can do it that way. So let's get on this video, because I'm going out for food and I'm hungry, and I think I could even find an outfit from here. I think I've got one that I'm kind of thinking about in my head. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get on to the haul. So I have quite a mix here of like trend-led pieces and also just some like casual stuff that I've bought because I just liked it. So first thing that I'm going to show you guys, which to me is definitely a trend-led piece, and I have 2 of these. I feel like these are not going to go anywhere this season. They were everywhere last year, and then I think they're not going anywhere this year. And as soon as I saw this one, I was like, I need this, like need this. It's so me. And it's just a slip satin look skirt. Like love, but it's a short version. So on the high street, I've seen every single shop now do the longer versions. Urban Outfitters, I bought one, and other stories. I've got a Topshop one, I've got another Topshop, like 2. Where else did I buy them from? Like everywhere. Zara has them, everywhere has them. I have dress versions as well, and I just don't think satin anything is going anywhere this year. So this is a short version, so if you're kind of not into like the midi trend, maybe this might be a good piece for you guys to go for. And the length is really good too. I try to size up in these just because I like them to be a bit more flowy. So I got this in a size 12, and I just think like it fits a little bit better. Don't be afraid in like sizing to be like going up. It just, at the end of the day, it's how like clothes fits. Like this shirt, for example, I'm wearing, it's a medium. It's definitely too big, but I kind of like that. So if you want your clothes to look a certain way, don't just be like, oh, because I'm going a size up, it makes you feel bad. Does that make sense? So I just kind of go by how things fit. I was going to get this one also in a size 12, but they didn't have it. And I love the print. So this is another satin skirt. Again, I think Topshop probably does some of the best ones. And they really range in prices, like from like 20 something pounds to a little bit more. This one is 35. That one was, I will have all these things linked down below, by the way. So this one was 22. I'm trying to put them nicely so that when I try stuff on, it's all gonna look, because I've steamed everything. That's how prepared I am for this video. But I haven't tried these things on yet. But I got this in a size 10 because they didn't have a 12. And this is a stunning one. I just love this like flowery print. Rabia, I think you will love this. And I just kind of envisage this with a like I would do an all grey look, so like a grey knit, and then I would wear like, don't know what shoes. I find like these kind of colours hard to wear shoes with. I think I would just do like boots and then like a black bag. But the colour of this was just gorgeous. They have green ones, they have like tiger print ones, they have so many. I will link them down below. I'll just type in like satin skirts into Topshop and link them as well. But I feel like that's one of my favourite things that I got. Then I kind of was, where was I? I was in Oxford Street a few weeks ago after I think I got my lip injections, and I just had like a crazy shop moment, and I saw this bag, but I kind of don't think I like it. I haven't worn it since I bought it, and that was like 10, maybe, no, definitely more, 2 weeks ago maybe. So if I haven't worn it, I'm just gonna take it back. But in case any of you guys like it, I thought I would show you guys. I really wanted like a casual little like 90s style bag, but I don't know, I don't know if it's like, I don't know, it's cute, but I haven't worn it, so I'm kind of trying to be good, and like if I don't wear something, if I've bought it, then like within a week I will return it. So yeah, I'm a little bit upset with myself at that, but I think it's just because I have quite a few other bags. Then I got this little top, again, not really like a trend piece, this is more just like, I just thought it was really cute. I feel like I just don't have any casual clothes. I always say this, but like I really don't. Like today, I really fancied wearing something casual and I'm wearing a shirt. Like I can't really explain it, but yeah, I just kind of want a few more things in my wardrobe that if I'm just like popping to the shop or going to my boyfriend's house, I can just wear. So this is just like a little long sleeve t-shirt, and it just says Wednesday CBA. Like can't be asked, I think. This is something that I think is more like trendy. I think like rugby sportswear again isn't going anywhere this year. I feel like trends just kind of replay themselves, so you might hear me say stuff that's like, Barbs, come on, of course military is going to be back for spring, like duh, like look at you. But just go with me on this. But this is kind of like a, I can imagine like a rugby player to wear this basically. It's like a rugby pullover thing. Again, I bought this because I really like casual, I really want some more casual stuff in my wardrobe, like hoodies and stuff like that, for when I don't want to be like super dressy. I'm scared this is gonna swamp me, like look at it. So I will try it on for you guys. I got this in a size small because again, I just thought it looked quite big, but it's £45, which is not cheap. But if you're into this kind of thing, it is really, really nice. So yes, I do like Topshop knitwear. Like I've always liked Topshop knitwear. And speaking of Topshop knitwear, I think these kind of colours are going to be so in. Like the greens, mustards. Like Topshop had so much mustard stuff. Greens, mustard. This is kind of like a burnt orange, reddy colour. I got this in a size medium, and it's like a little, I don't know, like a cropped jumper thing. The only thing that's scaring me a bit is this front bit. Like, why is it not straight? I don't know if I got a dud one. Oh, it's just because I have to tighten it. Honestly, I think I tried to do that yesterday and it wasn't working, but it's just worked now. Because I haven't tried it on yet, but I was like fiddling with it, and listen, don't ask me. But I thought this would be really cool with one of my, like I've got a black satin skirt. So I thought that would look quite cool with that. And this was £35. Topshop is not the cheapest like clothing company, but I do find that they're like, well, how can I put this? Like their quality is good. I've always liked Topshop's quality. Then we come on to this, which I love. Anyone who like remembers me from about 2016, you'll remember I used to wear, and I still have it, like, and I don't feel like I started it, but I feel like after I got it, I feel like I started seeing it everywhere in the shops, and mine's vintage. I got this little like cropped Levi denim jacket from Urban Outfitters, like I said, like 2 years ago. And this I feel like is the, like, how can I put it? It's like a safari version. And this is it from Topshop. So it's just like a little cropped jacket in this gorgeous color. I love these kind of, again, palettes of colors. And I like the buttons, that they're kind of like, I don't know, acetate, would you say? This was £39. I got it in a size medium. And yeah, I mean, it's freezing for this now, but I kind of just had to show you guys. And I hope that it kind of looks good. I was gonna get the small, but I don't know, I just got that one. Then we come on to something a bit more loud. I don't think Co-ords are going anywhere this year, and I feel like the clueless kind of thing is like really in at the moment, and it's definitely something that I like to wear. So I got this skirt from Topshop, and it's just a little like, what would you call this material? Buckle? I don't know. It's not like, I can't explain it. Let me know, what would you guys call this kind of like material? Because it's kind of got a texture. But it's in like a check. The colours are kind of not the sort of colours that I would ever really wear. There's like neon yellow and neon blues. I actually have a neon blue polo neck that would look maybe a little bit too much with this. But you guys know I love these kind of little sets. I had one from Mango that I love in like a pink. And this is just a little bit more, like I would love to wear this kind of thing like on a night out. But you can wear it with a t-shirt. I would obviously wear it with a roll neck. And to match it, I got the matching blazer. So this is the blazer. I'm gonna probably wear this with thigh highs, totally like Gossip Girl, Clueless kind of vibes. And the blazer was £65, which I don't think is like that bad for a blazer. And you can totally interchange the blazer with like jeans. You don't have to wear it with a matching skirt. Like if it's all a bit much for you, you can totally wear it with like jeans or black trousers, and the skirt's 36. Then I got this, and this is a little bit different for me, but I kind of like the look of it. I don't think these things always flatter my body shape, like this style of dress, but I really like, again, I feel like safari and all that is just gonna come back this season, like especially for spring. Obviously we're like, in the UK it's really cold at the moment, but I do think this is gonna come around in like spring, and it's this kind of like charcoal, it's got a tad bit of blue in it. It's like an inky bluey grey colour shirt dress, and this is the kind of thing that you could totally wear to work as well if you work somewhere that's not super conservative. So like I could wear this with like pumps in the summer, and yeah, it could just be like a shirt dress which isn't super long like my other ones that I have from Zara from last year. So I hope the camera is showing it up. There you go. But I like the details on it, and it's just got a tie side. I will be trying all these things on anyway. But I kind of hope this fits. They didn't have a size 10, so the lady had to go and grab it for me from the back. This was £45, but think about it, something like this, that's your whole like outfit. So you don't have to include like trousers or whatever, it's like all there for you. So when I buy, oh, I nearly fell off my chair. When I buy dresses, that's kind of how I try and see it. I've steamed you, so you need to be not creasing. That's how I try and see it, is that like you've bought a whole outfit. Then my next, well, it's like my last clothing item. I love Topshop jeans. I have always loved Topshop jeans. I will always love Topshop jeans, and yeah, I like flitter through other shops and like try them, but I will forever be a Topshop jeans girl. And I feel like I haven't bought a pair in ages from there, but you will have noticed in maybe, I don't know if I have talked about it, but I've bought a couple of jeans, like skinny jeans, which for me is crazy, recently from Zara. But I saw that Topshop are doing these, and these are the Jamie jeans, but they have a button detail down the bottom. These, I will admit, I have tried on because I literally was like between sizes, so I was like, I have to try these on because otherwise I want them in this video. And I love them. The only thing is, I tried them on, I didn't try them on in the shop because I can't. I tried them on at home, and I've got this thing about jeans, like I don't like them to be too long, so I never buy a 32 length, I always buy a 30, but I kind of think these are a little bit too short, so I might go and exchange them for a 32. But I love the button front. It just gives it this kind of like vintage jeans look, and I'm back into skinny jeans. Anyone else down below, like really back into skinnies? Like it's been, I would want to say, like a good 3 years that I haven't worn a pair of jeans like that are skinny fit. I'm always wearing my mum jeans, or like I love my Mango flare jeans. I have so many Zara flare jeans that I love. So it's just really weird for me to like, yeah, like to be wearing skinnies again, but I just kind of feel like it's making me look a bit smaller, which I need at the moment. So love those. I just might exchange them for a 32 length. Let me know what you guys think. And then I'm really looking for like new belts to go with jeans. I don't think I would wear them with those because I kind of want the buttons to I kind of want the buttons to be the main attraction. But I got this belt, and this is just like a again, like acetate buckle belt. I don't know if it looks a bit cheap because of like the shine, but I just thought I would try it. And these kind of things are cool as well. Like if, for example, on that dress that I showed you guys, instead of wearing the belt that comes with it, to put your own. Two last accessories. I didn't buy any shoes because I'm not really in the market for shoes. Like I have so many and I really don't need them. But Topshop is killing it with their bags, and this one just killed me. Like, look at how cute and dinky this little bag is. I don't know whether or not I can style it. I don't have any brown bags in my wardrobe, and I don't know if it looks a little bit like, I don't know. What do you guys think? Are we a yay or nay on this bag? I'm asking you guys so many questions. I wish you guys were all here, but I don't know. Are we saying yes or no? It has a strap inside, but I kind of don't want to fiddle with it until I've decided if I want to keep it or not. But it's really roomy and stuff. It's just, I'm really fussy with bags. I just love the size. They also did it in a black, which I will link it down below, and I kind of wish I had that one, but it had like this weird leather sort of bit at the front, and it just to me looked really cheap. But I kind of liked how 90s this looks, and it's a little bit more plain. My mum had a bag from this company that I couldn't tell you what the name is, and it was this kind of color. It wasn't Louis Vuitton. It's got like all the world on it. Anyone again know down below what that is, that brand? It's got like countries on it, and I loved that bag on her, and it just kind of reminded me of her. But this is £22. So like, if you're in the market for new bags, honestly, Topshop is killing it. And speaking of killing it, Topshop always kills it in their jewelry department. I could not leave the shop without these. I'm wearing these earrings, and if you guys are wondering, they're from Mango. I could have so worn these today. Should we just put them on? I absolutely love these ones from Mango. I will show you guys them up close. They're like little pearl drops with diamantes on them, but I had to get these. These are £14.50, which is not cheap, but these in like this, I feel like these are more like a spring earring, but I just couldn't pass them up. Oh my god, I should have so worn these today. Look how gorgeous they are. Oh my god, why did I not wear these for this video? Barbs, ugh, so annoying, but I love them. They're so cool. Again, this is why I'm saying like safari and all that's going to be really in. They also have loads of bangles and like very bamboo-y style and shells and stuff like that pieces. I didn't want to get them because I just feel like they're a bit too springtime, but I feel like this is going to be the year of the bangles, like big chunky bangles. So I might link them down below. But what do we think about these? Like, look, with hair up, love. So guys, that is the end of this video. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you guys like this more like chilled setup, if you guys like seeing more around my house, so that when I film, I can film in more different places. Please do go and check out Shop Tagger down below. I've worked with them so much because I genuinely think it's such a great concept. And if you're an avid shopper like me, you will not regret it. So I will see you guys all in my next video. I've got quite a few planned, and let me know what you'd like to see next. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye.